Hello, we're back at it again in the Roblox the game. This time I'm gonna be playing a game called Get a Snack at 4 a.m. So yeah, I know it's not a Forsaken video, but still, you gotta play this. I heard it's really good. Who did I hear it from? The main character is in Forsaken. Hey, welcome, Mailbox Nurse Group. Hello, it's me. You're self-conscious. Oh, I hate this guy. I'm interrupting your sleep to say that you are starving. Is that so? Do you appear to be waking up due to your starvation? Oh, hold on. You honestly can't sleep in this condition. I advise you to get a midnight snack. Just try to be sneaky about it, okay? Okay. Anyway, you're waking up. I'll see you. What do you mean you'll see me soon? Huh? I'm awake. It's him, my self-conscience. What is that? It is this time. What the heck? We got this guy. We got my achievement is we got nothing. It's just like real life. Got shut up. You got this stuff. That's pretty boring. Then I got that guy. That. Ooh. Money. What the heck? And garbage. What the heck? Dude, what the heck? Oh my. Ooh, money. That's where you sleep, yeah. I'm not gonna disturb him. Look at that. He's sleeping in his bed. Why is. Okay, yeah. I have achieved Colgate. Let's go. What the heck? Oh no, not Lancer. Anyways, you got all these. You got the plans. So much money though. I'm robbing my own house. Well, look at that. Anyways, I got that. Yeah. It's 4 a.m. How am I gonna eat? Like Pop-Tart or something? What the? Okay. What is that, bro? Got that. The Mushroom Kingdom. We got Celebrate. What are these things? Oh, chip. Oh, never mind. Thanks for playing. Yeah. Ooh, money. We got. This is a spy from TF2. Well, I guess I can put that. What was it? Breakfast. Oh. Oh, they're different images now. Oh, wow. Breakfast. Crafted. I'd say a bad breakfast. Okay, now. Okay, game. I'd like to point out in the bottom right, it went from moolah to now cash. So we're just being basic now, huh? See what happens if I wake up father figure. No. Oh. Is that an ending? Oh. Damn, bro, we got the whole squad laughing. Har, 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 har. Har, 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 har. I don't want Colgate this time. What is that, bro? Money. Ordinary orange pickup. Please do not. Have you done? What did I do? What is he? Stop. No, stop talking. Stop. Orange, huh? Uh-oh. Okay. Objective, go back to bed. I'm just going on sleepers. You woke me up. No, I didn't, dude. Stop lying. Hear you opening and eating the chips. Oh no. Ah. Ending chips, huh? Oh. Dad got mad. Did he now? What awaits outside? Is that me? I mean, I guess so. Oh. Bro, why can't I run this? It takes forever. Oh. See? Insert soda. I have to put sodas in the vending machine? I'm like, okay, man, if that's what you want. What's in the trash? Oh. Hey! Welcome to a generic convenience store. We are open 24 hours. This way, here in a person. Diesel accents. Time left until break. Okay. Didn't place anything. Okay, sir. Oh. Garbage. Out of order due to being too cold. I said spell lol. Is the same gas station from Recritivator? It is. It was. Oh, it was probably inspired from this game, huh? Ooh, money. You would never know. Is there any on this side? There's that. There's some. What is this? So, I don't know. Oh, no, arm button. I want to buy this. What do we have? Sure, I want to buy this orb. You see, I'm gonna give you those payments and 1 cent among never. What do you mean that orb disappears in my hands? Bro. The heck? Bro. I wanna give that little thingy, the little thingies. Can't, oh, there we go. The vending machine seems happy. Does it? Okay. What did that do? Shut up, bro. What are you at, bro? Nobody can stop me now. What is that? Oh wow. Minecraft. It's locked. It's locked. I also noticed it's at negative 100 degrees Celsius in here. This is supposed to... this is ending. I guess that's what it means. I don't go in the freezer. Got locked in the freezer. What's that? What? Hello? No. Oh, hello up there. Stop it. Don't worry. I don't need saving or anything. What the heck, man? I actually kind of like being here. Okay, alright, can you just get to the one already? I don't care about your sewer adventures. But I do get kind of hungry and thirsty sometimes. Cope. Hey, while you're up there, maybe send some stuff. No. 10 sodas. What the frick, man? This sewer water is, it's, yeah. Okay. Right, sodas. Could, like, put them down here for me? 10 of them? I can do that. There's one in the house, there's the other one, and then there's the other one. What's it doing? Yeah, it's light does emerge. Does this give me a bad feeling? Maybe. What are you doing? Stop it. No. So is this gonna do anything or what? I'll leave it on. House might burn down. That smells like another ending to me. Oh. I have created fire. Will it be very hot? Get out of here, man. There's the fire. Why is there green coming from here? What is that? Why is there green light? Get out of here. So, what is going on? Why is there green? Did I do that? What the? Ending house fire. I was trying to find what the green was. Is that? I was about to say, is that light still out there? Here's some money first. Why is the moon a Bloxy? It's all orange. Stop that. Why did you get rid of my walkway, man? Right. Oh. Can't even have the roads. So Monday. This is kind of like my town a few days ago. I got a really big rainstormy thingy, thunderstorm. There's a lot of rain. Yeah. I was like driving home in my sedan car, so I was like, please don't get stuck. And hey, just look at that. So usually I agree, but honestly, we appear to be in quite a pickle. And by that I mean we're being flooded with soda. Yeah, it must be pretty sticky, huh? Soda? I don't know what happened, but we don't have much time. It might have been my fault. We can't drive anywhere safe in time. So it looks like the employee walk-in freezers are our only option. Is it? It's getting pretty high. We should probably do something. You can wait the flood out until people come and rescue. But he is so bored. Look, you like me on the job. Sir is pretty hefty. It'll take me a while to... Dude, it takes like a second, dude. We haven't used it in a while, so the door might be kind of stuck. I hope you understand. Dude, we don't have any time. What do you mean it took you seconds to open? Wait, I remember opening it? Oh yeah, press it though. Infinite? Oh, listen, we need tension. We can't enter the freezer just like that. Bro, we're literally gonna drown. Don't worry, it won't take long to open. It'll take like, we don't have 18 seconds, dude. Hurry up. Oh, it's rising. Do something about this, sir. Oh. Alright, it's open. I'm just kidding, it's over. I do not care what you have to say. Oh my god, that's pretty fast for himself. Ugh, it's still as cold as I remember. Bruh. Now get out of here. Carpet. So I don't know how long we have to stay here. Yawn. Basically, we have been here for a while, okay? I had work at like 8 in the morning today, so, you know, I'm pretty tired and stuff. Oh, wait. Bruh. How is help gonna know we're in here? If you're stuck in like a freezer, don't you just break a... Oh. Guess we'll wait here then. If you're stuck in a freezer, don't you like break the fans or something? I don't know. I'm sure the flood has already reached the top of the star by now. But yeah, maybe. Or maybe it purely made out of soda. How did that even happen? To be honest, man, bro, I don't know. Well, Oh no. What's this? Be sure bought a whole lot of sodas for me a while back. How does he remember that? They must be a loop. It must be a loop, you know. Yeah. So, how are you? Well, I was doing pretty good until the soda apocalypse came up. Ending. Flooded. I'm gonna go eat the toothpaste and the orange juice. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat the toothpaste and the orange juice and cook a good breakfast to see. I think that's 2 more free endings. Where's my ending at, huh? Yay! Well, that was very perfect breakfast. Oh. Why am I eating it? Who are you? Why am I in a black room box thingy? Wait, you're here? I guess so, yeah. Oh, welcome. Mailbox groove. Okay. Come back here when you get all the... Okay. Ending. Oh, ultra death. Oh, did I say orange juice and toothpaste or something? I don't know. Hey, I got new ending. So how much? There's like probably 3 more, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna need to be right back after a break. I'm back at it again with the games. When I was like doing whatever, I thought long and hard about it. And what if I stole something? Yeah. Just gotta take this and I'm gonna go, okay? Hey, buddy. Did you really try and steal something? No. Oh, it's not in my hands. It's time for you to pay the price. No. At least it's not ultra death. Ending. Shoplifting. Lord darn. Is that here? Alright. Does it know? Yeah, he doesn't know. He doesn't know. Sleepy time. Why does this take so long? Ending. Sleep. You went to successfully to sleep. Money. Ending. Toothpaste. I think I legally have to say that Colgate doesn't kill you when you consume it. It don't sue me. It don't consume toothpaste in general. Huh? Hey, toothpaste. Let's go. I think it's because I interacted with the orange juice. It kind of just like exploded or something. I don't know. Chips. Well, I guess that's it, huh? Okay, you were quite busy, weren't you? Back at 4 AM. I do not believe that's the ending. I will fight again. What the heck? Oh no. He's tweaking. Oh my god, not the cashier. I need this. I require this. This will be my new hair. So, look at this. Bam! What? Lol. Where are my trophies? What the heck? What the heck? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. What's going on with him? He's normal. Normal. Got orange. What the heck? Dude, who watches the annoying orange though? Actually, bro. Like, I thought that was just a show, but I found out it was a YouTuber. Like, bruh. What? Let's look at that. Wow. No, it's flattened. Mr. Vending Machine Man. And, that, I guess. That's where... That's what he was watching the whole time. He was watching a camera. The sun is a lie. And there's that too, yeah. Seems like he's out and about. Oh, I still have orb, by the way. So, dummy. I'm so certain that... Where's the cashier at? I don't know. Maybe if they were still here, this wouldn't have happened. Right, wait, what? Dun-dun-dun-dun. Something tells me this orb isn't the cause of all of this. No, what is, huh? Have you noticed any... I don't believe a voice? Like us NPCs could just... He's not really an NPC anymore, huh? I'm controlling him. It felt like the world was getting weaker and weaker the longer the players stayed. It was different. It was kind of like the world was running out of memory and data. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Update the graphics card of the world then. I believe this orb took priority and stored the information inside it instead, just to keep the world from destroying itself. Wow. But now it had enough. It was too much. It resulted in a corrupt world. Wow. Can we get on with this? I'm kind of bored. How did you know all that? Oh my god. The orb seemed to have leaked a bit of its information to... Okay, what? It's, so overwhelming. I gotta put it down. Walk around and look for something that could help us. I'll be with you. Literally, I wasn't programmed with a pathfinding AI, so I have to follow you everywhere. Alright. By being with you. But then you. Oh. Oh, darn. So yeah, don't worry. It doesn't hurt. For me at least. Ha ha ha. Hurts, hurts, hurts. Ah! Ouch. Did it work? I can see through your eyes now. I can see you. What? Are you seeing that? What? Oh my god. Yeah, it's text box. Apparently the My bad. I didn't know NPCs could see that as well. Dang. It says we have to follow the road. Okay. What could it be leading to? Nowhere, apparently. Oh, never mind. We got trees. Well, I don't know. Why am I so tired right now? The Forsaken game. Wait, what? I'm planning on making another Forsaken video. Another little tutorial guide thingy. Because apparently people like those, and I'm really good at the game, so I can do that. Wow, we're practically out of balance now. Yes. That's right. Is that one-shot music in the background? Is this a one-shot reference? Oh my god. That game was honestly kind of just like a more boring version of like other popular games like it. And the one-shot stop, yeah, but what was that? And like, to be honest, the one-shot community, low-key, is one of the worst communities I've ever seen. It's all just so annoying. I've seen one tweet by someone that perfectly summarizes it. And yeah, also look at that. How scary. I can't jump. Spacebar, like really, really hard. Huh, did you, Mr. Noob? Oh, I guess you're right. I wasn't trying hard enough. If I try hard enough, anything can happen. Yay, I'm jumping. Why is he's still so slow? This is kind of hard, actually. That's a big jump. I don't think I can make that one. What's this? That's a block. I feel like there should be something here. I'm just a nobody. Just a cashier. Alright, ready? All of them. In the finale. Jeez, now, how long did that take? That was actually like so long. In fact, I might be able to just shorten it with a brief summary on screen now. Bam. That wasn't the true ending. Hello? Hello? Is this going through? Hey, it's Harley. I'm using my remaining energy to speak. I'm sorry I couldn't speak back there. I was so tired. Take a nap. Things would have been different if only they... Never mind. It's okay. Q can't know about this. Maybe they can try again. Roblox underscore I mean. Who do you think you're talking to now? I hope to see you again in another timeline. For now, the game ends here. See you soon. Every ending. I refuse to lose. There will be one more ending, I swear. Why am I the dummy now? What happened to the main noob? He was cool. Too cool. No. Hey guys, it's the next day, if you couldn't tell. And I tried playing this game. I tried to get the cashier back, because he's gone now. I picked up his little hat, if you couldn't tell. Yeah. I also stole this. I tried to steal this. I just tried to do the drink the orange juice and then drink the toothpaste to see if that would put me back in the little thing, the little room, but it didn't. So, well, alright, bye-bye. Oh yeah, I'd also like to say, there's like a second version of this game. I might play that. I think it's better than the first one. It's better than this one probably, so, yeah.